chief, he got the suit, the feathers fly high. Everybody hollering who, ain't no reason to lie. We dance down the street, feel that rhythm complete. Second line, music so divine. Second line.
Hey, good morning, guys. This is CJ. Quick message. I don't want to talk about Bitcoin this morning or NOLACOIN. I want to talk about messaging. This right here, this mural, is a message of unity. And that's what we need, a message of unity and community. So I don't know this guy, B Mike, but I like what he says. Over behind the Starbucks on Claiborne, he's got a mural that says basically, we can go alone or we can go together farther. So remember that. Now this is a message of unity. I'm going to show you a message of disunity and division. Now what do you see here, friends? You see banks. This is a message of disunity and division. So spend your money locally, spend your money between each other. And then we're going to talk about NOLACOIN. But we want to get you on the right track first. Any questions? Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Have a good day.
Are you looking for a souvenir? Take a good look at what I got here. We got beats. We got beats. You need beats. We got beats. 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 We need more beats. Hey, mister, throw me some beats. Come on, 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 come on. We need more beats. Beats, beats. We need more beats. Beats, beats. Hey, oh. We need more beats. 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 Are you looking for a souvenir? Take a good look at what I got here. We got beats. We got beats.